Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Winshall Car Cleaning Kit. Just arrived. I'm excited to open it up. So what we're going to do is show you all the pieces that come with it, show you the car cleaning in process, washing my car a little bit, and we'll let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so the box comes jam-packed with different tools here. I'll try and lay them all out for you so you can see it. And I'm not even going to be able to get it all into one picture, but it does have a nice little carrying case, so we'll kind of step back and start with the case itself, and we'll start loading in your brush. Actually, I'll just show you a couple towels here, microfiber towels. Got a bunch of them. Little bit, give you the full picture. So there's a lot of value here, as you can tell. Sorry, just going to keep it time. So, as mentioned, I'm going to show you each item before I put it into the bag. Show you how it fits. This is a nice glove. Car wash, and show you the inside. As mentioned, you've got a bunch of different towels. So there's 3 different towels that you can work with. This one you can hang to dry, as well as that last one you can hang to dry. And then of course another glove. Show you the inside of that. That one doesn't come out as easy, but that's going to be kind of your waxing. 2 little brushes, get into all those little areas. I'll leave that one on. And then of course this one, which is almost like a toilet brush, if you will. Nice grip handle, but if you know what I mean by the toilet brush, to get into work the hubcaps and stuff like that. So really nice kit here, as you can see, and it will all eventually fit in. So easy storage. You keep it in your car or in your garage or whatever, so it's easy storage. So next, let's show you, how we're cleaning the car with them.
All right, so there are 3 reasons primarily that I got this kit. The first being this brush, which I'm going to use on the wheels here. This is just a duster, what a lot of people call a California car wash. Sometimes just a simple, getting the pollen off the car or something like that is really nice. And then there's a number of these that I use on the interior for finishing, and the exterior I use this for after wash watermarks. And so I'll just kind of quickly demonstrate all 3 so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. All right, so the first thing I want to show is just simply tire cleaning. Brake dust builds up, and just spray it with some water, and then just scrub. And then rinse. And you can pretty quickly see the difference. And then of course you can just rinse this right off as well.
All right, I'm not sure if you can see the spots here or not. I'm hoping that you can. So once again, all we're gonna do, just take our microfiber with a little bit of pressure, they'll usually come right out. And if need be, we'll just kind of wet the space a little. And just like that, the vast majority are gone. And great to keep these even if you do a manual or automatic car washes. All right, and the final thing, again, you can just do a regular car wash, but sometimes it's just dust and everything like that, so I'm going to show you the difference here. So we'll just kind of show you exactly how quickly and easily you can remove this. And you can see, I hope, the difference where it's just dust. It doesn't necessarily need a full wash, but just kind of rubbing this through. I used to work in the car rental industry, and every single rep had to have one of these with them at all times because this is the quickest way to kind of get a car nice and clean without having to take them through a full car wash. So again, immediate difference. So to me, there's tremendous value in this kit. Again, easy to carry and easy to keep in the car. Lots of value to me. So hopefully you find it worth buying. I sure did. Thanks.